Welcome back, everyone. Maybe having an issue where for some reason TikTok keeps showing you auto-generated captions. Now, for some reason, you can't turn off all captions. I've heard if you actually delete the application and reinstall it, that may end up fixing it. But for a lot of you, but for the videos that actually show auto-generated captions, really the only way to fix this is by disabling the auto-generated captions within settings. So if you open up a video and it actually does showcase to you generated captions that they did and that the creator did and the user didn't, and that TikTok didn't, then that's basically still going to be there. But to do this, what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your profile settings right here. You want to click on the top right corner, which will show you the three lines right there. You want to click on settings and privacy. You want to scroll down until you see accessibility, which is right here. And then the second option, you'll see two options, animated thumbnail, but then you'll also see always show auto-generated captions. What that specific option shows you is pretty much, the auto-generated caption that TikTok will basically put right there. So if you disable this, what's going to happen is I think a pop-up, so a pop-up doesn't even come up. And what'll happen is if you basically went ahead and posted a TikTok like this, right, and you just posted a TikTok like this, whatever, right, you're making a video, and the creator went ahead and enabled this captions option and basically went like this, well, you won't be showed these specific captions. However, if the creator went ahead and actually added and I think edited these captions, then they are not auto-generated. So then they will still be there, and there's really no way to turn that off. But this is basically the main way to do it right now, and that's basically how to do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.